When we talk about universal design for learning, a lot of us may not know what it is initially. And when you unpack it, you really see it's a really good and welcome opportunity to design your curriculum and your learning experience to allow for a more valuable and flexible learning experience for the students. In looking at what we do as teachers, we can't really adopt a one-size-fits-all practice for teaching, and that's commonly discussed in UDL when we talk about the benefits of UDL. And we really need to look at what are the principles of universal design for learning. And we talk about multiple methods of representation, multiple methods of engagement, multiple methods of action and expression. And really we might think, what does that mean for me as a teacher? What do I have to start from scratch again? But actually you don't. Really when you break it down, you're looking at how are you sharing your information? What kinds of media are you using? Are you mixing it up a little bit? Are you giving choice in assessment? Is it always a written assessment? Are there opportunities for oral assessment? When the students are working in the classroom or in the lecture theatre, is it individual or are there opportunities to talk to others and maybe engage in discussion and collaborate? So really, a lot of what UDL is advocating is what teachers are doing, but they just don't name it. And there's huge opportunities here in UL and across the Irish sector for engaging with the Universal Design of Learning badge, which is openly run, fantastic initiative. And it really allows then teachers to name their practice through the lens of UDL. It also allows for learners then to have a more beneficial and flexible learning experience because they have all of these opportunities and they're called out so students can see that there's some level of flexibility in their experience. So here in UL, there's been fantastic work done in relation to UDL around the facilitation of the badge that I mentioned, but also a new community of practice called UDL at UL. And that's a really welcome platform and opportunities for everyone to really discuss the key challenges and opportunities around how best to implement and employ the principles of UDL in their practice. It also allows for the discussion to happen that, we have to embed universal design for learning in our teaching, learning and assessment, but also in the student experience across the campus. And that's a much broader discussion as well. So I think the community practice is a really useful and valuable opportunity for all of us to engage in discussion around the key areas of interest that we have in embedding UDL within our practice.